So, since we are actually starting to make a repository that's going to have this fake database, let's start actually using it as a fake database. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill this fake database class, because this is not something that belongs in a data access layer actually, or how should I put it? Since we're making a fake database, just to illustrate this is not something that would normally happen in a real production ready application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this code now and I'm going to paste it directly inside our customer fake database repository right here. There we go. So now it's actually available inside the fake database repository right here. Yay! And why am I doing this? Well, notice now the fake database repository is actually a table, right? We have an ID that's automatically incremented somehow. We have a list of customer that's going to be static somehow. And we're going to make these not public, but actually private. Because as with a real database, you should be not be allowed to actually set this from the outside anymore, right? So now we have a private set of data, and we don't even have to go and grab this from the outside. Let's try and see if this actually works, because now the next thing I want to do is I want to completely remove the fake database class right here. You're gone, bye-bye, good luck. And of course that means that our business logic layer will start complaining. The service, customer service, doesn't have access to the fake database anymore, and it shouldn't, because the fake database is database information, and the business logic layer does not have a direct access to database like we discussed earlier. So how do we fix that? Well, let's go into the customer service. Everywhere where it says something with fake database, we're just going to grab the code right now. I'm just going to cut it and paste it inside, copy it for now and just paste it inside the customer fake DB. So that was the create function. Let's put it in here, and instead of calling it fake DB customers right here, now we actually just have customers directly. So let's just remove this. Instead of fake DB ID, let's just have an ID++. Notice actually now the logic is where it's supposed to be. Now we know how to create it because we can see that it's right here. The fake database is also going to die later, but right now it's where it belongs. You're where you belong, dear database. That's important. Notice we're starting to move logic around to make this application work. Back to the customer service, because there's more. Right now let's just return null here, because I will implement this later. So I'll just clean this up so we don't get any errors. Return null just means that I'm not doing anything, I'm just returning null. The delete function, how are we going to do that? Same idea. I'm just going to return null, and then I'm going to copy paste this into our fake database repository. Return null. There we go. I'll get all of this back. Don't worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Life is good. We're doing the right thing here. I know we're doing the right thing. So again, it shouldn't be fake database anymore. It'll just be like this. There we go. So back to the service. What else do we need? Well, again, we're going to null this and just paste it into our new application. There we go. So the get function, return null again. Going down to the get function here. Return. There we go. And again, it's going to probably miss the fake DB, but also link. So we need to just get link back here. Link, please come back. There it is, using system link. So here it is now, right? And the last one that we're going to move right now is get all. The update, we'll get back to that later. But for now, let's just grab the move all right here, copy that, and just store it like this, return null. Going back to the fake DB, pasting in the get all. Saving this, ta-ta! All the fake DB static crap is out of the way. No more fake DB class static stuff all over our code. Yay! Because now the guy who knows how to work with the fake DB is the repository, and the repository is the only guy who knows how to work with a fake DB. Perfect. Next lesson, let's just continue, but for now you have actually created a fake DB repository. Congratulations, you now have the first repository implemented, and we'll start using it soon. See you next time.